Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talks, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of real-life conversations. I'm Emily. What a great day to talk about English. I'm so excited to be here with all of you again.
Emily, how are you feeling today? All good? It's Paul here.
I'm fantastic, Paul. Thank you. Feeling really happy to chat with our amazing English Talks listeners. How about you? Everything good?
I'm wonderful too. Ready for another fun and inspiring episode. Before we start, a quick friendly reminder to everyone. Please like this episode, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Talks. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. Your support means the world to us. And today we have a very special topic, Paul. It's something many of our English Talks family can relate to, I think.
Ooh, I'm excited. What is it, Emily? Spill the beans.
Today's topic is how learning English opened doors for me. It's about how English can change your life in amazing ways.
Wow, that's a fantastic topic, Emily. It's so true, English really can open many new doors. I've got so many stories about that.
Me too. It's not just about grammar and words, right? It's about opportunities, new friends, and new experiences.
Exactly. It's about a whole new world. So, Emily, let's start with you. How did learning English open doors for you? What's your first big memory?
That's a good question. My first big memory was when I traveled abroad for the first time, to a country where people spoke English.
Oh, wow. That sounds exciting. And what happened?
Well, I was a little scared to travel alone. My English was okay, but not super confident. But when I got there, I had to speak English every single day.
Yes, immersion is the best way to learn. Did it feel difficult at first?
A little, yes. But then I met so many nice people. I could ask for directions, order food, and just chat. It felt amazing to understand and be understood.
That's wonderful. So English made your travel experience much better, right? You felt more independent?
Exactly. I felt confident and free. It opened my eyes to different cultures, too. And I made friends from all over the world.
That's truly inspiring, Emily. For me, one of the biggest doors English opened was in my career.
Oh, really? Tell me more, Paul.
A few years ago, I worked in a company with an international project. All the meetings and documents were in English. They needed someone to communicate with clients from other countries.
So your English skills became really important then.
Yes, many people could speak English, but not many felt comfortable leading meetings or writing emails. My boss chose me as team leader because of my English.
Wow, that's a huge opportunity. So learning English helped you get promoted?
Absolutely. It gave me confidence to speak up, share ideas, and connect with people from different backgrounds.
That's such a great example of how English can open professional doors.
Exactly. And it's not only in big companies, even small businesses value English communication skills.
For me, another door English opened was learning new things. Before, most interesting information was only available in English. Books, blogs, online courses.
That's so true. English gives access to the world's knowledge.
Yes, I once wanted to learn about eco-friendly living. Thanks to English, I found amazing blogs and courses. It completely changed my habits.
That's great, Emily. For me, another big door English opened was meeting people from around the world.
Oh, I love that one. Tell me more.
I joined some language exchange apps to practice English. I met people from Japan, Brazil, Germany, everywhere.
That sounds so fun. Did you just talk about English?
Not at all. We talked about our lives, cultures, and food. It felt like the world became smaller and friendlier.
That's beautiful. English really is a bridge between people and places.
Exactly. Some of them are still my friends today.
That's so heartwarming. English not only helps you learn, it connects you.
And for you, Emily, any other story?
Yes, when I traveled, I could really connect with people. I met travelers from different countries, we explored cities, shared stories, and laughed together.
That sounds amazing, like a movie.
It really was. English was our common language, and it made those memories possible.
Imagine missing out on that if you didn't speak English.
Exactly. Those friendships made my journey unforgettable.
Another door English opened for me was in entertainment. Movies, music, and books.
Oh, I love that one.
Before, I always waited for subtitles. Now I can watch everything in English and understand it all.
Yes, you get the jokes, the emotions, the meaning. It's so much better.
And music. Understanding the lyrics connects you deeply to the artist.
Definitely. And reading books in English lets you feel the author's real voice.
That's true. It's a richer experience.
So, Paul, any unexpected doors English opened for you?
Yes, teaching. At first, friends asked for help, and later I realized I loved teaching English. That's how I joined English Talks.
That's amazing, Paul. From learner to teacher. That's full circle.
Yes, it's rewarding to help others grow and succeed.
For me, English made me more open-minded and flexible. Learning a new language changes how you think.
So true. It helps you adapt and communicate better with all kinds of people.
Exactly. It's not just language, it's life skills.
Absolutely.
Paul, this conversation has been so inspiring.
It really has, Emily. I hope our English Talks listeners feel motivated too. Remember, every small step opens a new door.
Yes, even understanding a song, reading an article, or chatting with someone new, it all matters.
So true. And we'd love to hear from you, our English Talks family. Tell us, how has learning English opened doors for you? Share your stories in the comments.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Talks.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep opening those doors.
Bye for now. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone!